Ria mobile app tutorial, how to use it to send money worldwide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a fast, secure, and easy way to send money across borders, the Ria Money Transfer mobile application might be just what you need. In this guide, I'll walk you through on how you can use Ria app step by step from setting up your account to sending your first international transfer, tracking it, and making sure that your money arrives safely. So whether you're helping family, paying freelancers, or just exploring options, this tutorial have you covered. And so all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So the first thing that I want to talk about is going to be what is Ria Money Transfer. First things first, what exactly is Ria app? The Ria mobile application is the digital version of the Ria Global Money Transfer Network. It's what you see right here. Now, it allows you to simply send money to over 190 countries, choose between cash pickup, bank deposit, or mobile wallet, pay using bank account, debit card, or credit card, track your transfers in real time, and repeat previous transactions with just one tap. It's available on iOS and Android, and it has a clean, user-friendly interface with added features like biometric login and live customer support. Now, how to download and set up the application. Basically, first things first, you want to head over to the Play Store or the App Store depending on the device that you are using. Since I'm using an Android emulator right here, you then want to navigate through the Google Play Store, and simply once inside, you then want to search for Ria. From here, you then want to look for the Ria Money Transfer, Send Money. It's by Ria Money Transfer Ria Financial. From here, you just want to click on the download button, and it will now download the application to your device. From there, you then want to open up the application, and simply right after, we can then go ahead and begin the process to create our own account. Now, inside this page, you just want to click on the register button, choose where you would like to send the money. Now, this is optional, but in my case, I'll just go ahead and click on yes. From here, you then want to insert your email and password, so let me do that real quick. And simply right after that, you then want to go ahead and insert your country code and your mobile number. So in my case, I'm going to be using my Philippine number right here. Right after entering your mobile number, you then have to simply go ahead and verify your email and mobile number by entering a one-time password or an OTP. Unfortunately, I'm having some problems with my application right here, so I could not go ahead and finish up my account creation, but it's really simple. Right after logging in into your account dashboard, it will then go ahead and look something like this. Now, once you're logged in, you want to hit the orange send button on your home screen. You can go ahead and see that right here. Now, right after, you then want to choose the destination country. Select the country you're sending money to. Ria supports over 190 countries worldwide. From there, you then want to select the delivery method. Choose how the recipient will get the money. We have cash pickups, which is available instantly at thousands of agents' location. You have bank deposit, which goes directly into their bank account. You have mobile wallet, which is instant delivery to apps like Gcash, M-Pesa, or Bcash. And lastly, you have home delivery, which is available in some regions like Philippines or Vietnam. From there, after choosing your delivery method, you want to enter the recipient details. You have to provide the full legal name. It must match their ID, their phone number or mobile wallet ID, their bank account details if applicable. From there, you then want to enter the amount. Type in the amount that you want to send. The app will automatically show the exchange rate, any fee, and the total cost and what the recipient will receive. So for example, if you go ahead and put something like 100 US dollar or USD and you are sending it to something like Philippines, it will then automatically convert the amount into Philippine peso. So for example, they will then go ahead and receive something like 5,300 pesos depending on the exchange rate. Now, From there, you then want to choose your payment method. You can choose to put your debit card, which is the fastest, your credit card, which may include cash advance fees, and lastly, your bank account. It's lower but it's cheaper. You can save your payment method for faster future transfers. From there, you then want to review and send the transaction. Double check all the details to make sure that nothing goes wrong, and then you'll want to tap on send. You'll get a confirmation screen with a tracking number, also sent via email or SMS. Now, how to track a transfer in the application. Once your transfer is sent, you'll want to keep an eye on it. Here's how to track it. So let's navigate back to the application right here, and simply inside you then want to enter or click on the track option. Now, you can also use the web version right here of track a transfer. Once again, after sending your money, you will receive a PIN or order number. You can just go ahead and put that right here or in the application. Now, you'll see your recent transaction with real-time updates like processing, ready for pickup, deposited, and completed. You can also tap on any transfer for full details, including the PIN or reference number for the recipient to use at pickup. If there's a problem, you'll get notified and prompted to take an action, like uploading an ID or correcting a name. Now, you will be required to go ahead and insert an additional ID if you're sending or using Ria money for the first time. Now, how to add or edit recipients. To make future transfer faster, Ria lets you save recipient's profile. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply click on the recipients right here. Click on add recipients, enter their full name, phone number, and payout method. And from there, you can then go ahead and edit or delete recipients anytime. Save recipients allow you to save or send money in under a minute next time by just a click of a button. And so, who should use the application? Ria app is best for people sending money to countries with strong cash pickup networks, families supporting loved ones in remote areas, anyone looking for an instant delivery via mobile wallets, and frequent senders who send or want to save recipient info and send money. It's also great for non-tech users thanks to its simple design and step-by-step guidance. So that's your full guide to using Ria Money Transfer mobile application. To recap, you want to create your account, add your recipients, choose your country and delivery method, pay and send with transparency, and then you can track everything from inside the application. If you found this guide helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more money transfer tips and guides. Drop a comment below if you've used the Ria app before. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.